In this video, I will be explaining you about one of the action within AI Builder named as Analyze Sentiment. Now we are going to use Power Automate Flow to use AI Builder connectors basically to analyze the sentiment of a text. Now, analyze sentiments basically detects the sentiments in a text data. It will come out with an output of either a neutral, negative, or positive. Now, it gives scores and labels at a sentence or at a document level. So, this is an important thing to note, sentence or document level. So, it can be a plain text, one liner text, two liner text, or maybe it can be a set of document. Now, it is used for analyzing social media post. It analyzes the customer feedback or reviews. Sentiment of document is determined by aggregating the sentence scores. Okay, so what does this mean? Is say, take for example, you have a document. Now you have like a big document over here. Now within the document, the first line. So there are like say various paragraphs or lines. So there's the first line, there's like a second line, then there's a third line, and maybe there's a fourth line. So let's assume that first line is say positive sentence. Okay, someone is like actually appreciating some concept, some subject. Second line, again it's positive. Third line, maybe it's negative, and fourth line, maybe it's positive. Now, if you see overall sentiment of this document, this is overall as positive. So that's how this sentiment is determined. Now, it is at a sentence level and it is at a document level as well. So we're going to see that example soon. So basically, it is important to understand why are you going to use this or how are you going to use this analyze sentiment within your entire ecosystem of Power Platform. So what we're going to do, we are going to use Power Apps to basically pass on the information like a customer feedback, and it will determine the sentiment. Now, social media post. So take for example, you have a company. Now you say sell pharmaceutical goods, or maybe you sell say medicines. Now if you get a review on your social media channel by some person and you want to review that, then you can go ahead and pass that information or fetch the information from social media, give it to a Power Apps. Power Apps will send it to Power Automate, and then Power Automate will analyze the sentiment and give the result back. This is useful for understanding the perception of your product or services or a brand image of the company within the say specific region or city or country. Now this is just one example, but you can use it for multiple places. Like you can analyze the email received by the customer or email received by your manager. So those all things can be analyzed. Now analyze sentiment. Now first thing, it will ask for which language are you referring to. So that's the source language, and then you specify the text over here. Now here in this example I've just put one line, but you can put multiple lines as well. Now what exactly it analyzes? So it analyzes the sentiment. So basically it gives you the sentence score. So as you see over here, it gives you the sentence score. It will give you the sentence sentiment, and it will give you the probability whether the overall text is negative, neutral, or positive. And then this is the probability overall text, and this is probability on the sentence. Remember I mentioned about sentence and the overall document. So this is related to sentence, and this is related to the overall text. Now overall text sentiment, so this is overall text sentiment and this is sentence sentiment. And you get various option to get the body response v2, body response v2 prediction output, and body response v2 prediction output result along with the sentence as well. Now in this example I've just taken like a simple screenshot of the first part. So if you see the result, it says sentiment is positive, document score is neutral is 0.15 and positive is 0.85. So we can treat this as positive for the sentence which I have just put over here. And at a sentence level, it will give you the sentiments. So this is sentence is positive, and then overall the document has given you the positive scenario. So let's jump into the demo. I'll just quickly first show you the demo over here. Like I'll This is a Power Automate flow which I've created. When a Power Apps calls a flow, respond to a Power Apps flow, takes input parameter, gives the output parameter back. Now, output parameter, we will just fill whatever we want over here. But I've also created a Power Apps Canvas app where I will pass on the input, take the output. Input is basically coming from text input canvas 1. I submit this information. I'm setting it to variable x. Variable x is basically the output over here where x dot out. And when I submit it, I can see it is running a Power Automate flow and it is passing the text input canvas 1 dot value. So this is how I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna put the value over here, the input, and maybe I will just put some output over here. I'm just going to put a overall sentiment value, but then I will show you the output from the Power Automate flow as well. All right. So in order to run the Power Automate flow over here, when Power Apps calls a flow, just click plus, and then from here you can type in AI Builder. Now I have already marked AI Builder as favorite. That's why you can see star over here. Click on see more, and then from here I'm gonna pick up the sentiment. So there are so many actions which you can use. I'm gonna cover each and every action in my video. Not in this video, but I'll create a separate video for all these different actions. The first one I've already covered about translate text. This is the second series, so analyze sentiment. So I'm going to click on analyze sentiment, and then from here we need to pass the language. Now here I know I'll be focusing on English language at the moment, but then you have an option to pick up various language like Spanish, Norwegian, Portuguese, Hindi, Dutch, Chinese, simplified, traditional. So I'm going to pick English language, and here in the text I'm going to get it from Power Apps. So Power Apps, here the input parameter is in. So I will just select this, select in. Now once it is processed, it will give you a set of output. So I'm going to respond to Power App flow with an output from analyze sentiment. Now, if you see analyze sentiment, this I just shown you within a screenshot. So probability overall text is neutral, negative, positive, sentiment. So I can either pass the sentence sentiment, or maybe I can pass the overall text sentiments. So I'll just say pass on the overall text sentiment. I'll click on save draft, and I'll publish this. So let it publish over here in Canvas app. I Everything is hooked up. We need not do anything. We just need to come up with a simple sentence. So let me go ahead and play the app and see whether we can get the result back or not. So I'll just play the app, and here I will say your product feature set is amazing. I am impressed with the camera quality. The body of camera heats up quickly, thereby, or I'll just say body of camera heats up quickly, and it's a big no for uh, general audience. However, I liked the performance of apps running in dark mode. So I've just put like various sentences. So if you see here, your product feature set is amazing. So that looks like to be positive one. I'm impressed with the camera quality. Again, positive. This one is negative. The body of camera heats up quickly and it's a big no for general audience. And however, I like the performance of apps running in dark mode. So this is a positive sentiment. So overall, I would say the output should be positive. But let's submit and see what is the result from the Power Automate flow. Now if you see, it has returned the output as positive. Now we can get various output, but I have taken the output of the overall general sentiment. Now let's go ahead and see the Power Automate flow over here. Let's see the run. Let's inspect the run output. Now this has run 17 seconds ago. So I'll click on it. And over here, I will analyze the sentiment. So I'll just click on analyze sentiment. And now here in the output, you see this is the raw input which you have sent, and output, it has given me a set of output. So let me copy this output and put it in the JSON grid desktop. And over here there's a header. So this is a header which is passed. This is the body. This is the response v2. This is the prediction output. Now if you see over here, it has consumed 2 credits to check the sentiments. Okay, so you can keep track of the cost as well. Click on result, and result, there are a couple of things. There's a document scores and there's a sentence. So there's one sentence, so a big sentence which we have typed in. Now if I just scroll to the right, as you see over here, the sentences is a length to 10, um, and sentence score, it is positive. So it has taken the value positive as 1. So it has analyzed the overall sentence and it said that, oh, this is positive and this is the output which we are sending back. But let's go ahead and view. Let's go back over here. So prediction output, result. Now instead of sentences, I will go into document scores. Now overall in the document scores, I have positive as 1, and it has understood that, okay, this entire document content has a positive result set, and that's why it has given you that result. Now I can expand further. I can go into sentences score, and I can get all this different set, positive, neutral, or negative. Now, depending on the content of the document. Now, my document content was very less. It was like just 210. It had a mix of positive and negative sentiment, but then it returned positive sentiment because positive sentiment were comparatively more than the negative sentiment. Now, if you want to inspect the input, what input you have sent, you can again go into Power Automate Flow, and then you can see the raw input. So this is the raw input which you have passed, and it will exactly give you what text you have typed in. So if I just copy this, so maybe I'll just copy this part and show you what all things were passed by the system. So this is the host, this is the parameter, so this is the request v2 text. So it has, you have hard coded the language, you said that that is an English language, and you have passed the text, and along with that it has given you the record ID as well. But if you have a bigger document, then it will individually scan the sentiments of individual sentences and text, and then at the end collate it together and then give you the common sentiment. Now in our case it has written positive. So that's it, folks. This is all about detecting the sentiment using Power Automate Flow by using AI Builder Control in application. So we have built a simple application, a Canvas app in this case, which gives you the output of the sentiment, the overall sentiment of the text. Thanks for watching.